Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we've got issue 26 of the Titanic. There we go, nice big box. This is the engine deck room. We have just a few parts. The deck of the engine room, there we go. We have a thrust block A and B, which just snaps together. We've got a couple of pipes either side of it. An elbow pipe, and then we put it onto the deck of the engine room, and that is it then. So I'll have a quick look at the instructions. There we go. There's the deck of the engine room. Thrust block A and B, pipe for the port side, pipe for the starboard side, short pipe for port side, short pipe for the starboard side, elbow pipe, and then the deck itself. The thrust block is just pushed together. The two pipes we have to join up and super glue, which is no mean feat, and there is that little elbow pipe which we can pop in as well. I think we'll have to glue that as well, and then we attach it to the decking. There we go. So there we go, there's not a great lot to it. Let's have a look at what is in issue 27. Yep, we got the parts for the second reciprocating engine. Now we have done this before, 27 and 28 we have completed before, so we'll do that in one video I think, and then issue 29 we do finish it off. As for the magazine, you want a good read The Three Nurses and an Orderly. Very interesting. It's excellent stuff. It was not just sad what happened to them, but it was also sad how much they got paid back then. Less than minimum wage now even. What it equates to, or what it equates to what they were paid. And then we have illnesses and accidents. That again is a very interesting story. Personal hygiene wasn't what it is today, them days, but that is all in there for you to read. And then we obviously have the instructions again. So there we go. So let's get on with the build. Here we have the parts, so let's get them out of the box. Oh, there we go. That is the decking, all plastic, as is this thrust block, and the pipe work, very small indeed. And we get EP screws and a set of tweezers. I don't know whether them are going to be much good. I've got plenty of tweezers as it is, but you never know. So anyway, first off, what we need to do is to pop these two sides together. There's two pegs, that one and that one. That was bigger than that one, so therefore the hole, that one is bigger than that one. So I'll just marry them up. Now that is not going to stay together. It said it's a push fit connection, but it doesn't stay together. So I think we're going to have to glue that. There we go. Let's pop a little bit of glue on there and there. Pop that to one side and fit these two pieces together. I just thought there would have been a tighter fit, because there's no other way, even with the pipes fitted, it'll stay together. So it's best to glue it. It doesn't stay not to glue it. There we go, that'll set nicely now. Excellent. Let's have a look at the detail. There we go. That's the thrust block. Excellent stuff. Right, now we need to do the pipes. Okay, I'll pop that to one side. We'll be able to these pipes. I already take these out of the bag. Just get these in the correct order. Okay, these are very small indeed. Now basically we just make these two up, put them together there like that, and glue it in place. Just make sure you get the pipes the right way around. Right, that's a little bit of glue on that one. Put that together like so. I'll just let that set for now. There we go. Then we need to do the same with this one. A little bit of glue on there. There's only a hole in one end of the pipe, so there we go. The other end won't fix to it. There we go. Just like that to set, and we can fit them on the thrust block. Okay, them should have set by now. There we go, the thrust block, and this one basically goes in that hole there and there. So I know they give us the tweezers, but we can do this by hand. I am certain of. That one goes in there, and that one goes just there. It's popped out. I think we're going to have to. There it is. Excellent. Well, you can see that. There we go. Perfect. Then we just need to do it on the other side as well. Excellent stuff. Again, there, and just there. Excellent stuff. That's the pipes in place. Brilliant. Then we just have this elbow joint here, which goes in there. Oh, sorry, can't see that. Just goes in there. I've zoomed the camera up. That's why I'm out of place with that. What we say. And we've got this other little, this elbow pipe. Look at the size of that. That is minute. And there's some detail on it as well, which you can just about see. Anyway, let's fit that. Okay, I think we will use the tweezers for this little bit. There we go. Pop that there like so. I don't think that's going to stay on its own accord, but there we go. There it is. That's how tiny that is. Unreal. Right, I'll glue these pieces in place. Okay, that's everything glued in place. The two longer pipes, I've just glued one end in. I don't expect to take them off at any time, but if you don't need to glue anything, don't glue it. There we go, they'll hold themselves, no problem. Okay, now we can actually screw this onto here. There we go, there, 2 EP screws. Just adjust that camera. There you go, that's a little bit better. Plays havoc black with the camera. 2 screws. There's one part way in. There we go. Excellent. You can actually see that little pipe here fit into the floor. There we go. Excellent. Cracking shot. So there we go, folks. That is it for issue 26. That's perfect. Now, the 2 holes on the top for these 2 longer pieces of pipe, you may need to make it a little bit bigger so that they sit flush. Yep, they look equal. But other than that, there's no problem. It's all plastic, there's no metal in this issue except for the screws, of course. But anyway, that is it. That is issue 26 complete. Issue 27 and 28 are the second engine. Here's the first engine. There we go. Ooh. Well, that's working brilliant. I have a spare engine already because I did buy double issues at one time. So there we go. Well, that works great. And what I did notice in the instructions, I'll show you on here. Okay, so here is one of the, this is the spare engine I've got off the doubles. And if you remember this bracket here, this wheel here, and here it's raised up at an arc. Now it will only go on that way if you want to fit the base onto it, because the base is molded for this shape. And if you have it the other way around, which the instructions tell you to, it doesn't move as freely. And we glue this piece on, if you remember. So that I have noticed, but obviously this one I made up like that. Somebody did ask me a question about this engine recently, and I did wonder what the problem was, and then I remembered I turned this bracket this way around rather than that being on the inside, because the bottom, as I've just stated, this piece here is molded for that bracket. You'll see when you come to put it together. So it should only go on one way. The instructions were wrong, in other words. Anyway, there we go, guys. That is it. That is it for this issue. Looking forward to doing some more work on these engines. I do know we get some steam parts for one of these. I think it's in issue 31 because it's obviously the parts are there on the website. So if you ever want to know what is coming in future issues, just have a look at the website. 27 and 28 were basically, I don't think we're going to get this much. I think in issue 29 we get the crankshaft. Yeah, but we get all the other parts that you can actually see, bits of the brackets and this wheel. And to turn it, obviously we'd stick something in there eventually. A motor, that is, just to get it going up and down like that. Excellent stuff. That's brilliant. I'm absolutely loving this. The detail is fantastic. I mean, I know the ladders are a little bit disappointing, but I have seen on a lovely site called eBay, there's some photo etch parts there. Just keep looking to see if there is anything better. Well, there's definitely something definitely better than what we've been given. Well, the photo etch parts that I have seen, they're all golden. I know I can colour them in, but I'm not sure if to commit myself yet. They are the right scale, but I think they're going to take a couple of months to arrive as well. So I'll wait to see what the modding community come out with and how much they're going to charge for these small parts, and then make a decision from that. But anyway, that is it for this issue. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of all my future videos. Now please, all subscribers, please do hit that notification bell, because otherwise you will miss one of my brilliant videos. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.